Look out. When you look where, there's a bed there. And when you look up, there are two there. Now when you look down, there's another one. It was two. Now another one just added again. The same species of birds. The same species of bird. No. I don't know. Let me close it up. I don't know whether the birds are security bird. Whether the birds are security bird. Look at two there. Look at two there. Look at one here. And you think it's funny. And you think just today now there are three. Just a couple of minutes there are three. Yeah? And you think it's funny. Yeah. Yeah. But babe, I go release them. Made it go. I think this is the particular dove here. I think this is the particular dove.
Leave them,
no, let me release it.
Leave them.
No, let me release it. What thing will they eat? These are white birds. You can't be feeding them. Let me release it. You see it? You see it? Okay? Not the same bird now. That same bird was released that day. Now the same bird was released that day. Nahi. I released him that same day now. And they come here. Okay. Look at one here. Look at the other one here. The window are closed. These birds are the same color with her clothes. Look at it where? Let me zoom it. Look at it. Don't cry. Don't cry. I don't know what to do again. I don't know what to do again. Calm down. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. God. I don't know what to do again. Look at Jesus. Look at the kind of clothes she's wearing. These ones are looking like her clothes. Which can problem it is. Yeah, this one like Jesus. There are two. There are two. There are two. There are two. Ha. What should I do right now? This can bed do. Which can bed do this?
My baby dog.
No, this one is baby dog. This one is a baby dog. A big bed. But not a small bed. Go. Go now. Video the bed. Which color it is? And at the same color with Nina about Pluto. See the tea. I swear to God.
Red tea.
She won't fly me. Nina, tell her to fly. Eh? Tell her to fly. You won't fly.
You don't go.